I'm very delighted to be here today at the opening ceremony of this maiden Zambia and Rwanda Business Forum. Before going further, let me thank the Vice President of Lusaka Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Chibuye. I'm not sure if he's around. He's the first one I met and I discussed with him. There was an idea for the business people from Rwanda to partner with the business people of Zambia. He welcomed the idea nurtured up to Zaki, and now the day happened, the business forum is taking place. Let me take this opportunity to thank Zambia Chamber of Commerce and Industry for hosting this first Zambia-Rwanda trade mission and its warm hospitality accorded to the Rwandan delegation ever since their arrival. Guests of honor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, taking advantage of excellent relation between Rwanda and Zambia and following the guidelines set by our heads of state, His Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, and His Excellency Akende Ichilema, President of the Republic of Zambia, during the last two state visits, it is important to note that numerous MOUs have been signed, including the MOU on trade and investment, providing an avenue for enhancing ties between concerned institutions and private business people between Zambia and Rwanda, considering that both countries have huge opportunities to offer to you, private people. And as you may recall, the government of Rwanda, especially in its national strategy for development, too, considers private sector an important pillar of the economic development of Rwanda, leaving no one behind. Therefore, the role of private people is very critical to leverage on these opportunities. The guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, there is already a large presence of successful Rwandan business stories here in Zambia, which makes the establishment of Rwanda-Zambia Trade Mission very easy and important and necessary. Such forum will be crucial not only in strengthening further bilateral ties and trade relations between Rwanda and Zambia, but also creating a bond between the people of our both countries. This forum, therefore, is aimed at fostering cooperation between Rwanda Private Sector Federation and Zambia Chamber of Commerce and Industry in the areas of common interest, such as joint ventures, opportunities, exchange of information, skills transfer, as well as finding ways to benefit more from the opportunities offered by the region